Recognizing day by day symptoms of coronavirus. Day 1 to 3. The symptoms will be similar to normal cold and flu. Patient will experience fever. They will experience mild throat pain or no throat pain at all. People with the weakest immunity may experience diarrhea or nausea. Patients are still able to eat and drink normally. Day 4. The throat pain of infected person increase in intensity. Voice of patient becomes sore. Body temperature is around 36.5 degrees centigrade. Patient may experience disturbance while eating or drinking. Other symptoms on day 4 are mild headache and mild diarrhea. Day 5. On the 5th day of infection, things start to get a little messy. There is intense pain in the throat. Pain while patient try to eat or drink something. Soreness of voice increases. Feeling of pain on movement or moving any body part. Weakness all over the body with joint pains. Day 6. Fever is still mild at 37 centigrade. There is dry cough with painful throat. Painful throat while eating, swallowing, or talking. Feeling of being exhausted and severe nausea. Occasionally, the patient faces difficulty in breathing. The pain from joint extends to fingers. The intensity of diarrhea and vomiting increases. Day 7. Intensity of fever increases up to 38 centigrade. Excessive coughing with sputum. Body pain, headache, diarrhea, and vomiting worseness. Day 8. Severe difficulty in breathing every time the patient breathes. Chest became very heavy. Coughing, headache, and joint pain increase more. Body temperature rises above 38 centigrade. Day 9. All of the symptoms shown start getting worse. The list of symptoms were released by Ministry of Health Singapore. If you feel any of the symptoms, get yourself tested. Emergency warning sign of Covid-19 are difficulty breathing, pain in chest, bluish lips, or face. This list is not all inclusive. If you ever feel the 3 symptoms, fever, cough, and shortness of breath, seek medical attention immediately.